welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to begin with a wonderful chapter from your storybook, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This is a powerful quotation which is said by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So, with his powerful words and actions, Tilak ignited the flames of resistance against the British rule, inspiring the generations of freedom fighters. So, to know more about the life of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, let us begin with the chapter very quickly. So, first of all, we have a blue box over here which is integrated with patriotism. Let us read this. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the best remembered as the man who built his own defense of British rule into a national movement that eventually gained independence for India. So we all know that Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a freedom fighter, right? And in today's time also, we all remember him in his heart, in our hearts, right? So he was also involved into the national movement that eventually gained independence for India, for our country, right? So Tilak was born on July 23, 1856 in Ratnagiri, right? He was born on 23rd of July in 1856 at Ratnagiri, right? Now let us begin with the chapter. So, as we all know that Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great leader of our country, right? And he was an active participant in the fight for the freedom of our nation, right? And all the countrymen used to remember him with great love and his sacrifice that loved for his country, right? After that, we all got to know about Bal Gangadhar Tilak, that he was born at Ratnagiri in the state of Maharashtra, and his father was a teacher and a great scholar of Sanskrit, right? And he learned arithmetic and Sanskrit from his father. After that, let's know more about him. So, as we all know that he used to study Sanskrit and arithmetics from his father. So, he was really good in mathematics also. He used to solve all the sums orally and quickly on his hands only, right? And his father also used to give him a great encouragement. Encouragement means a support or a power, right? Support or power to learn the Sanskrit words by heart. And whenever he used to learn one word in Sanskrit, his father used to give him one coin also as a reward, in the form of a reward, right? After that, he was studying so well that he also became a great scholar of Sanskrit, just like his father only, right? And when he grew up after completing his studies at the school, he went to college and he really worked hard in completing his education in a short time, right? After that, so because he loves teaching a lot, so he chose teaching as his profession and became a teacher. After that, he used to started his own school, right? And after that, though Tilak loved teaching, he loved his country more, because he loved teaching much more, and more than that, he also loved his country. So he soon gave up his teaching profession. Profession means job, right? So he soon gave up his teaching job, and after that he started for working for the upliftment of our country. After that, so now as we saw that Bal Gangadhar Tilak actually quitted from his teaching profession for the upliftment of his country because of the love for the country that he had in his heart, right? And we all know that in those days, Actually, our country, India, was surviving with the shackles of the British rule, right? And many Indians, including Tilak, they were unhappy with that British rule that was going on in India at that time, right? So Tilak took a vow. Vow means he took a plan, or he had a thought in his mind that he need to drive the Britishers away from India. And that is why he became a great freedom fighter. And nowadays also we remember him as a freedom fighter, right? And the British rulers did not at all like his popularity among the common Indian people. But he did not stop writing and motivating. Motivating means inspiring. Inspiring the people to fight against the British rule. Right. After that, the Britishers became very angry from him, and they kept him in a jail that was outside the country. While his imprisonment, when he was in jail, he actually translated the most trusted holy book of the Hindus, which was known as the Bhagavad Gita. And from the jail only, now he started motivating the people to fight against the British rule. Now let us read more. So, while motivating the people, he also used a quotation which I quoted in the beginning, which is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So, this was the slogan of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the people were really inspired by these kind of slogans, and they also started fighting against the Britishers, right? And people called him Lokmanya Tilak after that, right? Which was a name which was given out of love and respect to Bal Gangadhar Tilak as Lokmanya Tilak. And today, we are free because of the efforts of these great men who suffered for the freedom of our country. We should be grateful to them. Grateful means we should be thankful to them. So this they are saying that if we are enjoying our life today in a free way, in a free manner, we should thank our all the freedom fighters because they are the ones with whom help we are able to live our life in a free manner in today's time, right? So that was all about the chapter. As we reflect on the life and contributions of Tilak's life, we are reminded to have a look on the stance of what is right and what is wrong. And we should fight for our rights and freedom. So, join us for more inspiring stories of these nation leaders. So, till then, do subscribe our channel, like the video and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.